Touchdown complete. Coordinates locked. Grid 117-B.
Suit pressure stable.
Soil composition analysis initiated.
Hydrocarbon presence minimal. Trace sulfur compounds detected. Atmosphere 0.3% oxygen unbreathable.
Layer composition: silicate, basalt, trace ice content.
No microbial motion. Radiation levels high. Rerun scheduled.
Photosynthetic response negative. Conditions sterile.
Recommendation: continue subsurface scan deeper. Possible ice lens at 5 meters depth. Solar input decreasing. Switching to battery mode. Life scan phase 2 begins at dawn.
Subsurface target locked. Commencing phase 2 extraction.
Penetration at 3.7 meters, continuing. Water confirmed. Purity low. Proceed with biochemical screening.
Analyzing. Stand by. If anything ever lived here, it will leave a chemical fingerprint. Possible abiotic origin. Rerunning isotopic test.
Subsurface cavities detected at depths between 12-20 meters.
Observation window, 6 hours.
Biological response, 0.
Continuing environmental diagnostics.
Pattern consistent with subsurface heat expansion. No biological indicators.
No life detected yet. Next step, deeper biosignature search at dawn.
Entering cavity. Visual feed stable.
Crystalline geometry irregular. Sampling initiated.
Let's see what 13 meters hides.
Molecule chain length consistent with prebiotic chemistry. Confidence level 42%.
Watching for reactive outgassing.
Temperature spike. Localized. Surface stable.
Simulation chamber live. Day cycle initiated.
Micropressure variance, plus 0.07 kPa. Possible biochemical response.
Hostile compatibility test begun.
No bloom. Soil is chemically active, biologically inert.
Atmospheric simulation V3 initialized.
Thermochemical response in progress. Stabilizing ambient temperature.
Stimulation current nomina. All monitoring systems synchronized. Passive observation underway.
Baseline control running clean. GJ1061C variant under test.
Trace gas evolution detected. No identifiable cell structure. Chemical catalysis possible.
Radiation exposure 0.5% baseline. Suitable for long-term bioexperimentation.
No organisms, but we're one condition away from life.
Stationed. Atmospheric Sensor Array 01. Logging begins.
Microbiosphere simulation initialized.
Sequence fragment release successful. Monitoring now.
Molecular activity detected. Non-destructive interaction confirmed.
Nitrogen flux up 4.3%. Source: unstable ammonium decay.
Cycle rotation active. Simulated day 1 underway. If life can bloom, this is the season. Structure unfolding. No self-assembly detected.
Samples 1 through 36 secured. Upload logs complete.
Recall command received. Lander reactivation initiated.
Sentinel status. Passive observation. Duration, 10.4 Earth years.
Departure from GJ10061C. Report. Inconclusive but promising. Returning home.
Landing successful. Coordinates matched to mission ALF grid Z17-B.
Reactivating Array 1.
Delta variants, consistent with minor geothermal breathing.
Protocell structure deployed. Sequence watch begins. Stability threshold surpassed, 124%. Replication not detected. Chemical reservoir detected. Organic potential, low to moderate. Stability threshold surpassed, 124%. Replication not detected.
Catalysis initiated. Monitoring compound evolution curve.
Observation cycle War4 of Team 5-2 complete. Soil activity stable.
We didn't find aliens, but we may be watching life's very first rehearsal.
Observation plus protocol engaged. Let growth find us when ready.
Membrane integrity 82%. No replication. No decay. Containment perimeter active. Passive scan for emergent anomalies initiated. Signal consistency surpassing statistical anomaly. Flagging pattern for further analysis. Repetition threshold crossed. Self-aligned mineral binding in progress.
Projected spontaneous life, 420 to 970 Earth years, plus or minus 212.
Mission clock, year 1N. Systems, active. Legacy marker deployed. Awaiting time.
It's not dead. It's starting to think.
Spontaneous chain length, 47 atoms. Autocatalysis probable. Containment breach logged. Sample spill detected.
Analyzing structural complexity increased 3.2x since last epoch.
Reaction rate, plus 138%. UV assist, effective.
Observed. Self-aligned gradients. Possible primitive osmotic movement.
Dome integrity secure. Initiating passive atmospheric regulation.
Biogenic signal response threshold crossed. Bioindex shift plus 0.82. Anomaly confirmed.
Activity clock, 3,652 days. Biopattern, stable, non-random.
Observed. Persistence, not probability. Ending process with purpose.
Spectral albedo change confirmed. Non-mineral discoloration.
Atmospheric exchange triggered by organic gas presence.
Trace metabolics detected. Pattern unknown to archive.
Vertical displacement, 4.3 millimeters. Structure response to internal stimulus probable.
Passive thermal retention exceeds environmental baseline. Heat source, endogenous. Trace bioatmospheric activity confirmed. Origin, dome region only.
Observed carbon chains exceed 100 plus units. Self-arranging behavior confirmed.
First photonic emission detected from organic source. Frequency irregular. Spontaneous replicating organic systems verified. Confirmation level 71%. Transmission initiated.
It finally happened.
This isn't life as we know it, Purring, but it's definitely life.
Chlorophyll adjacent compound detected. Light absorption active. Dome integrity remains stable. Biospread, 1.2% weekly increase.
Cross-dome biosignal synchrony established. Network behavior probable.
We are no longer exploring space. We are listening to it.
Localized weather mimicking observed. Primitive thermoregulation underway.
Structure formation rate stable. No genetic material detected tied. Purely catalytic. Moisture loop behavior detected. Suggests self-stabilizing hydration system.
We didn't teach it that. It found it on its own.
Signal origin. Internal biosystem. Reconnection initiated.
Localized atmospheric deviation detected. Concentration still below biothreshold.
Photoreactivity confirmed. Vesicles expand 0.3 millimeters under red spectrum.
Crystal growth pattern matches seed compound from initial nutrient spill.
That's not just structure. That's a message.
Behavior pattern suggests network awareness or mutual stimulus.
Marking the first alien ecosystem identified beyond Earth.
We must decide, observe or interact.
Reaction latency, 3.2 seconds. Environmental awareness elevated.
Spontaneous bifurcation event recorded. Pattern, non-random. Check the oscillation matrix. We have a fluctuating on the beam.
It's stabilizing. The upload is almost complete.
Beacon log. Response received. Pattern match, 93%.
Lattice stability BOSIS at 87%. Core heat retention observed.
Cross-dome signaling confirmed. Network-wide awareness developing. Zone identified. Semi-breathable. Caution.